Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can go ahead and check uh, entire log on an entire activity or details around any production process. So there are two or three places where you can check that. First is in the production dashboard, second is your process log, third is your reports module. So let's start with the production process. Now, click on browse module, go to production module. Once I will come in production module, please check. Here is the list of all my production processes created. So if I talk about the very first stage, here I can see that these are the production processes. So first of all, please check in the production process, in the production dashboard, you will be able to go ahead and see all the detail like PID number, BOM number, which is used. Then after FG item ID, FG item name, type of process, FG unit of measurement, target quantity, completed quantity, and creation date. Once you will click on any production process, like suppose this is one of my production process which is completed. So I will simply just go ahead and click on this production process and will open it. Now please check. Here you will be able to find all the details related to the production, like your PID, your BOM name, stores, who created it, who modified it, lastly process factory name. This is one of the custom field which is created. Then after here is the sub processes, child process and master processes, finished good, raw materials, and other charges. Each and every detail you will be able to go ahead and check it here. Now, whatever the activities have been done on any production process, you can easily go ahead and check it from the process log. On your right hand side, you will be able to see process log option. Click on this and here please check. All the activity is mentioned by whom which activity is done at and at what point of time this activity was done. So this is how you can simply just go ahead and check the entire activity in production process. Same is reflected in the reports as well. We do have multiple reports for production process, so you can go ahead and check that these details there in the report also. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and check the entire details. Have a good day ahead.